So yeah, today we're doing something different. We're trimming about 10 acres of peach trees, which we're not going to get them all done today, but it's fall. They've already produced, obviously, and need to be trimmed. And it's very expensive to have somebody go through here and trim them by hand. And I'll show you some pictures of the trees that haven't been done. Probably should have washed my windshield, but that's not going to happen. Most of your growth is going to be on the new part of the peach trees when it grows next year, so you want to get rid of the old growth on top. Plus, somebody's got to pick these. It's really expensive to trim by hand, and when you go to pick, it's expensive to have folks with ladders or whatever you might need to try and pick these. So you want to keep these trimmed back so that they can get the fruit down to where somebody can manage it. And over here, some that we've already done. They look a little rough on top, but they'll come back this fall of the year. Everything will work out just fine with them. So I'm sure some folks are looking at us saying, what are you trimming with? Well, we've got a KX40-4 Kubota Traco with a bush hog top mower on the boom. I think it's 42-inch. Just sharpen it. We sharpened it a couple of times when we're doing this. So it does make a few frayed ends on the limbs, but we've looked at them and it's not enough to matter, and it's certainly not worth enough to the money we're going to offset by trimming these with a machine versus doing it by hand. I'm sure we'll get some folks out there to say, oh, you can't do that. Well, yeah, we are. So anyway, we're going to take some video, show you that today, and show you what happens. Kubota's a really nice machine. One thing they don't have is a place to put a camera. So Kubota, if you're listening to me, a camera mount would be nice somewhere in here, at least something metal to stick it to, but we don't have that, so we're going to go with what we got. Actually just finished part of a row that I had done the other night, so now we're going to go out and start a new row. We'll start fresh on 2 more rows. Probably, I don't even know where I'm at. Probably a third done, maybe at this point, maybe a little more. So we got some folks working right below us here, so we don't want to disturb them, and they're actually the most important people in this place. Yeah, that's right, the honeybees. It's not me, not the people that pick, plant, or whatever. Be those folks, because if they're not here, it wouldn't do us any good to be here. So, quick look at the mower. 2 blades, built really well. I'll actually give you the manufacturer of it later, but built like a tank. And you see the growth on these trees. Trying to get down into this section right here, so we get down to cut some of the newer stuff off. You see some of the buds that are already there. You want to get down past those. We want some new stuff coming on, but you can see what we're dealing with out through here. And below this up there idling, so we have to reburn this. And this is what they should look like. Of course, still got some stuff through here. Still need to mow through here on the ground, but this is what it's supposed to look like now. Right here, you can tell where these have been trimmed before, and this particular limb right here, I think the tractor must have caught it when it came through spraying, so we cut it off because it's not gonna grow. And then you have the new growth on these trees right here that are going up through the middle, which is very good, which means we'll have fruit on those next year. And anyway, the Kubota KX40 trimming machine.